Hello everyone, warm welcome back to YAJE'S Garden. YAJE here, excited to share with you another gardening video. In today's video, I will share with you how to grow pigeon peas. Pigeon peas go by many names. In Spain, it is called gandules. I hope I'm saying that right. And in Jamaica, where it is a staple food in the Caribbean community, it is called gongo peas. In Limbum, my native language, we refer to it as mkunja. In this video, I will share with you how to start the seeds right up to how to plant the pigeon peas in ground. Here's a quick tip, guys. If you're gonna grow peas, soak them 12 to 24 hours before you plant the seeds. I have my pigeon peas, the northern adapted pigeon peas from True Love Seeds. I'm gonna only soak 6, 5, and 6. So we're just gonna put some water in here, then let it soak. Tomorrow we'll plant them. It's been about 12 hours of soaking the peas. Now it's time to plant them. I'm gonna plant one seed per hole. Let's cover the holes. Look at what we have. Today is March the 3rd. So it's been 4 days and we have a germination. I'm gonna plant my pigeon peas in ground today. I'm so excited. Okay, I think I'm gonna figure out where to put these 3 big ones. Then the little ones can stay in here for a little more. So these are the northern adapted pigeon peas. Started them from seeds on the 28th of February. So it's been about 4 weeks. And it's gonna go in ground today. Hello again. Thank you so much for watching right up to this point. I really do appreciate you. If the video adds value to you, please click on that thumbs up button. It means a lot to me. Thank you for your support. So the pigeon peas have a very high nutritional value and they are easy to grow. This is my first time growing the pigeon peas in my Zone 9A garden here in the USA. But I distinctly remember my mom and I growing these peas way back in the day when I was still a little girl growing up in a small town known as Boya in Cameroon. The pigeon peas are drought resistant and they do not require pest control. I strongly recommend you try this vegetable. I'm going to put a link in the description box if you're interested in growing along with me. The days to maturity, 120 days, so about 4 months until you can harvest this particular variety. This is the northern adapted variety. It is adapted to grow in the northern hemisphere. You saw me start my seeds indoors 4 weeks before planting, but you can also just direct sow. I like to buy some time and start my seeds indoors, which I did in this case, but you don't have to. You can plant the peas directly indoors and you don't have to soak them. But when you soak seeds, it helps to facilitate the germination process. As far as spacing, I am spacing mine about 18 to 24 inches apart. You know, I hear that it grows, well, I know because I remember it grows tall. It can grow up to 4 feet tall and forms a woody stem. Okay, you don't need to trellis, you don't need to support or anything like that. It grows like a tree basically. So yeah, my pigeon peas are now in ground. I'm just gonna water and then I will keep you updated on the progress. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on that thumbs up button. I hope I have earned your subscription. Comment below if you're familiar with this with this pea? I would love to know. Until next time, happy gardening. Bye, everyone.